Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you BetterSleep app not working and how you can fix this. So first of all we will go into the Play Store mobile application, and here on the search bar we will search BetterSleep. Okay, and if the option is showing update in the place of open, you have to update this mobile application and make sure you are using the latest version of this app. So maybe this can fix your issue, but if it doesn't, you have to just click and hold, and you have to go to the app info, and here you have to click over storage usage. Okay, and here you have to clear all the cache, and after clearing the cache it can fix your issue, but if it doesn't, you have to clear all the data. So after clearing all the data, the app will become new and you have to re-log in and everything. You have to do it once again. Okay, and basically this will fix your issue, but if it doesn't, the last option you can do it here. Say you can do it that you have to uninstall this mobile application. Okay, and after uninstalling this mobile application, you have to go to your Play Store, and you have to search BetterSleep, and you have to reinstall it once again. So this is it guys. I hope you found this video really helpful, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. Till that time, take care. Goodbye.